Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use night mode on DSLR cameras. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So unlike smartphones, most DSLR don't have a dedicated night mode button. So you need to simply switch to manual or shutter priority mode. Night photo requires control over shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Now, you can key camera settings for night shot as well, like the shutter speed, your aperture, ISO, and white balance. If you want a very long exposure at night and want a stable photograph, you can simply use a tripod as well or use a remote shutter or timer. You can simply focus manually and try long exposure techniques. So by using these methods, you can use night mode on DSLR cameras. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.